I'm, I'm just a boy who's been happily avoiding everyone. Get nothing done, and nobody else in this room makes any sense except for you. I don't know how you do. I don't mind if we just stay here, lay beside me for a while. 'Cause I have never met somebody who can take all of my pain away now. You're just a girl who's been hiding from the world inside your bedroom. 'Cause you've been hurt too. But we'll be alright if you put your hand in mine and don't look back. You won't be alone anymore. I don't mind if we just stay here, lay beside me for a while. 'Cause I have never met somebody who can take all of my pain away like you do. And I just wanna stay right here with you. Let everything else just fade away. I can't shake this feeling, it's something new. 'Cause I wanna dive right into you. Yeah, I wanna dive right into you. Dive right into you. 'Cause I don't mind if we just stay here, lay beside me for a while. 'Cause I have never met somebody who can take all of my pain away. Now I'm just a boy who's been happily avoiding everyone. That's what I like. And you're just a girl who's been hiding from the world inside your bedroom. Now I've got you, and you got me too. Sitting in silence like 4 feet apart, and there's so many things that I wish I could say, but I don't. No, I just don't. Rewind the tape and just play me those memories. You're leaning into me, and I'm holding on to your shoulder. Where did that go? Oh, I hope we don't give in. It would never be the same. It's like you're gone when you're still here. Will I lose? Oh, I don't wanna lose you. Oh, I don't wanna lose you. This old apartment, I swear it feels small, but there's nowhere to breathe. We don't look at each other, we don't. So I just go. And we should be talking, not hiding the problem. Open a bottle and don't go to bed till the sun goes up. Till the sun goes up. Oh, I hope we don't give in. It would never be the same. It's like you're gone when you're still here. Will I lose? Oh, I hope you don't give in. just want you here with me. Is there something I can say without lose? Oh, I don't wanna lose you. I just don't wanna lose you. Oh, I wonder now, just where did we go wrong? 'Cause you know that I'm not ready to let go. If I lose you now, then what's the point? Oh, I don't wanna lose you. Just don't wanna lose you. Don't wanna lose you. Seems like you've been busy since you went away. I'm just flipping through your pictures, I can tell you look more than okay. Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. When you still love somebody.
Staying out on the weekends, I really need something to do. I'm just trying to smile when all I can think of is you. Yeah, I'm just faking my way through the days to avoid that feeling I get when I'm lonely and I'm missing you. Wish you could tell me what I should do now.
It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. 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 Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts, I should've known. It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. 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 I'm sorry I let you down. I said some things that I never should have said, and I know you're hurting, but I've been somewhere else. I closed my eyes and all I ever saw was her, and my head was burning. And it's not okay, it's not alright, but I can't take it back. I just tried to feel something I only felt when we started drinking. I know it isn't fair, 'cause I've been selfish and I wasn't thinking. mine, I was never yours. I'm so sick of hiding it. My heart's not in it, and I don't think it's ever been. And I'm tired of fighting. Can hate that I've been lying for all of these years. You asked me all about her, and I said you got nothing to fear. That I'd let her go. And it's not okay, it's not alright. I held you close when I was down, but honestly, it was always gonna be somebody else. I just tried to feel something I only felt when we started drinking. I know it isn't fair, 'cause I've been selfish and I wasn't thinking. 'Cause I still love someone else. I just tried to feel something that wasn't there, no. 'Cause you were never mine, I was never yours. I was never yours. No, I was never yours.